Hello everyone and welcome back. So you might have noticed that I'm in a slightly different setting. I'm actually on holiday in Malta at the moment and I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. So pretty basic when you get into the room. We're actually staying at the Waterfront Hotel in Slima. So you come in through the door and then you've just got wardrobe space on both of those doors just there. And you've got a mirror just here. And then just down below, just a little shelf and some drawers as well. Then into the bathroom, nothing too spectacular, just basics. Just show you, just a small little bathroom. And I'll show you what I've actually brought with me. So I have got the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo, the matching conditioner as well. Then I've got the Anatomicals Don't Just Clean It Woman Scrub It Body Scrub, which I love. I've been loving that at the moment. A Ted Baker body wash. Some Colgate mouthwash, toothbrush and toothpaste. If I show you this one, my Venus Snap little mini razor. I got these Halo eye makeup remover pads, which I'm actually going to try and do a review on these over on my blog, which I'll link down below when I've done it, to let you know what I think of these. And then I've also got the Ole Henriksen The Clean Truth Cleansing Cloths. And last but not least, I've got the Ole Henriksen African Red Tea Foaming Cleanser. So then onto the main bit of the room. So we've just got the beds just here and a bedside table. And then on this side, it's kind of our tea making stuff and then just storage. So I've got the drawers and the fridge and a little dressing up table with the mirror and a very old fashioned TV with not many channels on it. So then in terms of the things that I've just got here, so I've got my Mythos After Sun, which I always talk about, that's my absolute favourite. Some foreheads, just in case I get a headache. Now I ran out of, I did bring some nail varnish remover pads, but I didn't get on with them, so I bought this while I was here. And that's just a basic nail varnish remover. These were the pads that I actually brought with me, but to be honest, they're useless, so they're going in the bin in a moment. I also ended up needing to buy some foot rescue, and this is the Peppermint Intense Foot Rescue from the Body Shop. And then I've got my Rimmel London BB Cream, and this is the 9-in-1 Skin Perfect and Super Makeup, and that's got an SPF of 20, and that's in the shade Light. My trusted waterproof mascara, again by Rimmel. My perfume, which I've just popped in here, and I think that one is the Elizabeth Arden one, but I can't quite remember what it's called, but I'll link it down below for you. And then I've got this, which I've been trying out, which is the Smooch Operator, and it's a lip balm by Soap and Glory, which I have to say I'm really liking at the moment. I wouldn't go anywhere without my Badger Sleep Balm. That's a must for me. Then I've just got my Clinique blusher, another lip balm because you can never have too many, and this is the Figs and Rouge one in Ramblin' Rose. My trusted Suntan lotion, just a basic deodorant, and some vitamin C tablets, which I always take with me. And then I bought these two eyeshadows here, and these are by the brand Essence, which at the moment I'm just trying out. So I've got the colour Apricot, which is sort of more of a pinky sandy colour, and then a more of a greyer one, which is called All I Need. So I'll let you know how I get on with those. I also brought with me this eyeshadow, which I think I received in a glossy box a few months ago now, which is just a basic neutral colour. I've just got my trusted Clinique quick liner, and with the smudger as well, a few brushes, and then I've got my Archery eyebrow pencil thing, a Sexy Mother Pucker lip lacquer from Soap and Glory, my Illuminating Brightening Concealer from Collection, which is looking a bit grubby at the moment, My John Frieda hairspray, again a must, especially in Malta, it's very windy here at the moment. My trusted hairbrush, and I've just got a bite cream. I haven't had to use that, which I'm quite happy about. Then I ended up getting some, at the same time as the nail varnish remover, I ended up getting some more products. So if I show you this one first, this is a nail oil, and again this is by Essence. They seem to have this brand everywhere, all over the island, so I thought I'd give it a go. And this is the Caring Nail Oil, which I have to say I'm loving so far. Then I also got this nail enamel by the brand She, and it's just this beautiful pink colour. And then I also got by Essence again the I Love Trends nail polish, which I'm actually wearing at the moment, and it's sort of rose gold colour, which I'm absolutely fallen in love with. So that's that. And then just sunglasses, hair clips and batteries, some sweets, and that's pretty much about it for just over here, as I say, apart from the kettle and tea making stuff. So in here I've got my snacks. Don't worry, I'm not in the room by myself, there is somebody else here as well. I'm not going to eat them all to myself. A sneaky little peek at some purchases that I made today, my shoes, my handbags, and then we've just got this sort of like little seating area by the door. And then I just wanted to show you, I wanted to finish on the view. And the view is amazing. I'll just show you that. However, as I was saying, the view is absolutely amazing. However, the drop is quite scary, so I don't really go out on the balcony. This hotel has been absolutely wonderful. The staff have been lovely. However, I would say that some of the stuff is looking a bit worn now. So if you're coming here, I wouldn't maybe expect too highly. It's classed as a 5-star hotel. But they're actually going to be closing this winter, coming for renovation work, which I think is much needed. It's only a few sort of minor little details, but you can start to see it's looking a bit dated and a bit old, so bear that in mind if you do come here. And that's all there is really to say. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tour of our hotel room, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.